So welcome back. So in this video, I want to go to um, the CBT portal for a student account. So let me just log in as a student. You've already added questions. Let me log out here. You've already added questions to the CBT. Okay. So let me just log in as a student and show you what we've added and how the question will look like. Oh, sorry, I didn't go to the CBT page. Let me log in using the CBT slash 30 slash 001. So don't forget that now this is the CBT portal. This is what students will be seeing. So under, as you can see, we have upcoming exams. Like I said that because we schedule exam to take place October 10. That is why it is showing this upcoming exam. So it's a way to, you can just tell the students to go and check their CBT portal to check the timetable for the schedule for the exams instead of posting timetable on the billboard. So we have exam online guide or instructions. So total available exams for this particular student is 1 and the attempt says 0. So now let me, as you can, let me go to available exams for you to, let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to available exam, because I've already enabled this exam, that is why this student is able to see this exam. Okay. But let's say I don't want to enable the exam, I want to deactivate the exam so that the student will not start the exam. So I can come to this manage exam as well. Come to manage exams. So come here and disable it. Click on the yellow pencil icon. Then let me inactivate it. So once I inactivate it, the student will not be able to, the student will not be able to see any exam. As you can see, it said no active exam found on your for your class at this time. So, but my goal is to start the exam for the sake of this training. So let me go and enable it to start the exam to show you how it will look like from the student portal. So let me update it back and show you. So now let me refresh again. So as you can see, so the exam is about to start. So let me start the exam right away. So there will be an instruction that will pop up that we set from the admin. It said answer all questions. I understand. Then start the exam. So we set 3 minutes for the student to write his exam. So the 3 minutes is already counted down. There's a scientific calculator. Okay. There's a scientific calculator which the student can use. So instead of taking calculator in, so you can close the calculator. So then we have what we call tab switching. So this platform has a way of copying examination malpractice. Okay, has a way of copying examination malpractice. So if the student minimize the screen, it's going to warn the student that okay, you'll soon be blocked from writing this exam because you switch the screen or you minimize the screen, and the warning is three times. So once you exhaust the lifeline, so you are going to be kicked out of the exam. So which means that you'll not be able to log in. So the student will be flagged for examination malpractice. So now let me go to the question straight away. We have dash is one of the topics in agric. So let me select crop rotation. Okay. Then go to the next question, question 2. Dash is the art of tilling the soil. Okay. Now we have let me just pick agric. So let me submit the exam. As you can see, say exam submitted successfully. Your objective score is 4. Okay. So let me okay it and go back to my results. I want to check my result as a student. So this is my result. My total score is what? Is 4. My objective is 4. So the theory now, the theory part, I'll be in our next video, I'll be telling us how to add theory exams. So but the student can download the PDF, they can download their results, PDF, and this is the result as you can see. So had it been we've inputted the theory, it will show the theory and it will show the total here, but we've only done objective. So that is that on objective, creating of bulk questions, uploading of questions in bulk. Then we'll talk about creating of exams. So as what's it called? Let me go back to the admin dashboard to show you something. So peradventure the student is caught cheating. Let's say the student is caught cheating. The student will be flagged for examination malpractice. So this is where to check all the students that are cheating. So this particular student, when I was doing a demo yesterday, so he was caught for examination malpractice. So this student now cannot log into the portal because he has been logged out. So until the admin comes here and logged the student in, okay, if I should try to log in with this information, if I should try to log in with this information, so as a student, so let me check whether the student will be able to log in. Let me log out from here. So as you can see, you have been flagged for malpractice. Contact the admin. Now let me go to the admin portal and unflag the students. Yes. So I want to unflag the students and see whether these same students will be able to log in. So as you can see now, the student is able to log in because you unflag the students. So that's just the power of examination, curbing examination malpractice. When you have a CBT platform that helps you check examination malpractice, so it is very, very important for CBT platform to have that feature. So in our next video, I'm talking about how to add theory exams. But before we move to our next video, I quickly want to show you how your results will display in the admin dashboard. So now we've done one exam now. So I want to view results. View result. Just click on view results. So select the class. Okay, select the term, first term, select the section, then select the subject, which is agricultural science. Exam type is what? Is exam. Okay, then you click on filter. So when you click on filter, it will show the list of students that partake in this exam. Okay, this is just a recent exam that was done by these students. So then you can now, after the theory has been graded, because it's just OBJ, after the theory has been graded, then you can now export you can now migrate the results to school portal. You can now migrate the result to school portal. So that is just the automatic way of adding result to the school portal using CBT platform. Okay. So in our next video, I'm talking about how to add theory exam, then how to grade theory exam in our next video. Thank you very much. You're welcome.